Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Guys, in this video, you will see how you can connect Tumblr with WhatsApp. So guys, Tumblr is a microblogging website, and if you are posting something on Tumblr or your team member on your behalf is posting something on Tumblr and you want to get notified about it, or you want to share that same post as a WhatsApp message to someone, you can use this automation, guys. Here we are connecting Tumblr and WhatsApp in such a way that as and when a post has been published on Tumblr, the same post will be shared as a message on WhatsApp. So this will be the flow of this automation. You can see here, as and when a new blog is posted, the same blog's link will be shared as a message on WhatsApp. So guys, we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, you need not to have any coding skills or programming knowledge required to set up this automation. So let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation, guys, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect first. And to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted the same in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button. So after signing up, you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month, guys. Okay, so sign up right now, then log in to reach here. So in this dashboard, you can create an automation by creating a workflow. For that, you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as send Tumblr posts to WhatsApp. Okay. Right, so after filling the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And here you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So guys, automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be posting of a new post on Tumblr, and the action or the response towards that trigger would be to share that same post as a message on WhatsApp. So guys, from this trigger section, you have to choose the trigger application as Tumblr. So search for Tumblr here. Okay, select it, and in the trigger event, you have to select new post in my blog option. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window, select add new connection option, and then click on connect with Tumblr. Okay, and from here, if you're not logged in, it will bring you to the login window. As I have already logged in my Tumblr account, it is just asking me to give the access to Pabbly Connect. So just click on allow here, and you will be connected with Tumblr like this. Okay, and here you can see it has written every 3 hours. Okay, so you can read here, this trigger will check for new data every 3 hours. This means this workflow is going to trigger automatically in every 3 hours and check if there is a new post in Tumblr or not. And if there is a new post, then the data of that post will be fetched and will be sent to WhatsApp, right? So this is how it is going to work. And here you can see it is asking for the type of post that you have posted. So we have quote, link, video, audio, photo, and chat. Right now I'm just selecting text. Okay, here it is asking for the blog's name. So this is my blog, you can see. So you can see the name of this blog is Pabbly. Okay, and this is the handle of Tumblr. Right, so here select the blog's name. After that, as and when you click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the most recently posted blog that you have on Tumblr. So you can see this is the latest post on my Tumblr account. Okay, so let me check here. I am clicking on save and send test request, and the data of that same blog will be here. You can see now in the response received section, we got the blog's username, the blog URL. Okay, and here you can see this is the post URL, guys. Okay, and when I search this post URL, it will bring me to the same post and the same blog. You can see this was the latest post that I have on Tumblr, and I have reached it here directly from my workflow. Okay, so this is how it is going to capture the data. So this is the test data we have received. Now I want to send this blog as a message on WhatsApp. So for that we are going to use this actions tab, and from this choose app field you have to search for WhatsApp's cloud API. So guys, WhatsApp Cloud API is the recently launched platform by Facebook to empower businesses and to empower people to have the access of WhatsApp's application programming interface or API to send messages automatically to many people on WhatsApp, right? So you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API first, and if you want to do that, you can check the videos from the description where we have explained how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API, and after that you will have the access of the WhatsApp's API, and you can use that feature here. Okay, so here I am using WhatsApp Cloud API, and the action event would be send template message. Then click on connect, and from here if you're making the connection with the Cloud API for the very first time, you have to select add new connection option, and here you can give a name to this connection as well. Okay, and this connection is going to be saved here. Okay, so you can use the same connections afterwards also. Here it is asking for the token or the permanent access token of your Cloud API setup. So to know about how to generate the permanent access token, you can check the videos from the description, or you can just click here on the here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly, and here you will find these two videos. First is for the WhatsApp Cloud API setup, second is for generating the permanent access token, and then we have the steps along with the screenshots on how to connect the Cloud API in the trigger or in the action, and if we have all the details regarding the Cloud API setup, so you can see these things. And for these things guys, I can show you my Cloud API setup, which is here. You can see I am under Meta for Developers page, and here I have created this app, My Connect message app. Under this I have set up my own Cloud API. So I am WhatsApp's getting started page, and on the getting started page guys, you will find the temporary access token first. So guys, temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent access token. And to do that, you can check the videos from the description, or you can check the videos of this forum here. Okay, here we have the video, and after that you can generate the token. And after getting the permanent token generated, you have to keep it safe, because we are going to use the same token again when we are going to make the connection again, right? Here it is, you can see in the workflow, it is asking for the token. So after generating the token, paste the token here, and the phone number ID is also here, you can see. So you can copy this ID from here and paste it here like this. Similarly, you can copy the business account ID and paste it here like this. Okay, and after filling these things, you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with the Cloud API setup, right? And this connection is going to be saved here. And now if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow with Cloud API setup, you can use this existing connection option by selecting this select existing connection option, right? And from this list you can select any of your existing connections that are saved here like this, like I am using this one. Okay, and now you can see I just have to click on save, and we'll be connected again with Cloud API setup like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the template's name. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp directly, first you need to have some templates created. Let me show you what templates are. You can see here in send messages with the API section, it is written here to create your own message template. Click here. Okay, so when you click on this here word, you will reach this page, and here you will find all these templates. So guys, templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you need to create here to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp at once, right? So here I have created a template. Let me show you. The name of the template is this one, Tumblr post. Okay, so here you can see the preview of this message, right? This is the message guys. This is how the message is going to look like when we send it on WhatsApp. New post on Tumblr, the title is this, the URL is this. Okay, this is how a notification will be sent. So guys, this is so easy to create such message templates here. And here in place of these, you can see in the body we have this 1 in double curly braces and 2. These are the body fields or the variables we have in the message. So to get these two these are the variables we have placed deliberately because these are the things which are going to change with every new message. As the title of the blog is going to change and the URL as well will be changed. And to create such a message template, let me show you. Here you just have to click on this create message template button, and here you will find these three categories in which you can create the templates: the transactional one, the marketing, and the OTPs. So from here you can select any category. I am selecting marketing. Then you can give any suitable name to your template like this. Then you can select the language in which you want to send the message, right? After that, just click on continue from the top right corner, and you will reach this page, and here you can add a header into your message, and in that header you can enter a text or you can enter media, and in the media you can add an image, a video, or a document. You can select any one, and here you have to add a sample of any of these things that you are adding. So to add a sample of document, click here and add a sample PDF file here. So you have to provide a sample also, and in the body box you have to type the main message that you want to send like this. And to add a variable, just click here on this add variable button, and this is how a tag will be added here, right? And after that you can add a footer and the call to action button or a quick reply button. Okay, you can add many things. And after creating a template, you can watch the preview from here only. You can see. And after that, submit this template. Right now I'm canceling this. And after submitting the template, Facebook is going to review that template and approve it, and it will just take a few minutes. And after that, you can use the template to send messages via your workflow, right? So from here, I'm going to select my template. You can see it is showing us the list of all the approved templates I have. From here, I'm going to search for my Tumblr post template. And as you select the template, you can see the language code and the template ID is auto-populated. No need to do anything. And here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number on which you want to send the Tumblr post as a notification. So you can enter the number here manually like this with a country code. 91 is for India. You have to enter your code and without any plus sign. So let's say that I myself want to get notified about these things that my team is posting on Tumblr. So for that I am entering my number. Okay, and here it is asking for the body fields. So I have already shown you that we have two variables inside my message template. So to get those variables change with every new message, we need to map the values of these body fields here in your workflow. So let me map the body fields. In the first body field, let us check. First body field is for the title of the blog. Okay, so we are going to use this test data that we have received from the first step from Tumblr. This is the data of the most recent blog. Okay, and here you can see we got this summary label. Okay, and here it is written Sidhu Moosewala murder case. This is the title of our blog. So I can use it here in the title field. Just click here and you will find this Tumblr option in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here, I'm going to map the summary. In the second body field, I'm going to map the link of the blog. So here is the blog's URL. Here is the post URL. So I'm using post URL here. Okay. Now when you click on save and send test request, a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. And I have the access to this WhatsApp number, guys, so I can show you the message. So I am clicking on save and send test request, and this is the response we have received. Now let me show you the message. So guys, this is the message we have received. Let me show you. New post on Tumblr. The title is Sidhu Moosewala murder case, and this is the URL. And when I click on it, it will bring me to my blog of Tumblr, and this is the blog I have posted. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. We are done setting up this automation. It is working really fine. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, as and when you are going to post a blog on Tumblr, this workflow is going to check in every 3 hours if there is a new post, and if there is, the post will be delivered to you on your WhatsApp account like this, okay, in a message, right? And the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.